Theravada Tukang go Tukang.
ඉඩම් මහනුවර විෂ්ණු දේවාලයේ ඉඩම්.
ඒ කඳවල දාලා වෙටිලා තියෙන්නේ.
මේකෙත් ඔය දැන් දිරාගෙන එහෙම එනවා දැන්. මේක අවසර මේක බෝගහයි දැන් මේ අපිට This is the road to Anuradhapura. So we don't know when they plant it, but it's more than 1,000 years. So our Migoda Mahatero, he is now 93 years old. Continuously, he came here 16 years without missing any one day. He come to Bodhi Puja. Now he's 93 years old. When we doing Bodhi Puja here, we have December 28. We have Bodhi Puja here. When who take pictures, then you can show so many like like a triangle, the rectangle, the bowl, the shiny something everywhere.
So the picture.
We believe some Bhumata Deva or some powerful somebody, but so many lights here. We cannot recognize what kind of that. But is each photo different? Sometimes we take picture, then one click here, then rectangle here, then second click is just bowl here, then another one. So many. So actually now is a Bodhi tree here. Bodhi is 12 feet down. We make a wall here and we take it up. You can see here the tree level, it's a branch level, is very high. Is upper here now more than 15 and 12 feet. Now the root come here again. The morning, every evening. So suddenly he saw some shiny inside. Then he immediately ran to the cave guru, then informed to the Bante. So Bante came here, then Bante also saw there's something shiny but cannot find properly. Then he asked to dig inside. And they find the cascade. අවසර අපිට මෙතන ගිහිල්ලා භාවනා කරලා යන්න පුළුවන්. තමයි ඒකට ගියාට පස්සේ විවිධ වෙනවා 270ක් විතර උඩට එහෙම යන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් මහවනහක් ගාලා එහාට යන්න පුළුවන්. Whatever you wish. Tell me. මේ මෙතන මතක අවසර මේ තියෙන මේ සෙන්සර් දෙකක් තියෙනවා මෙතන.